Here's a quick, savory way to make chicken tacos with cabbage, avocado salsa, and lime cream. Heat the chicken strips according to the package directions. Meanwhile, combine the cabbage and mayonnaise and season with salt in moderation and pepper. Dice the avocados. Finely chop the onion. Zest and juice half of a lemon. Cut the other half into wedges. Finely chop half of the cilantro leaves and mix with diced avocado, onion, and lime juice to taste. Mix sour cream with lime zest and season with salt in moderation and pepper. Warm the tacos. Fill each taco with a cabbage slaw, chicken strips, and avocado salsa. Top with queso blanco, jalapeños, and the rest of the cilantro. Serve with the sour cream and lime wedges. And that's the quick, savory way to make chicken tacos with cabbage, avocado salsa, and lime cream.